Namaste. Apa kabar? Now my name is Liv and I am your guide, and today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Mitra. Hello everyone. Now I am a birder. Okay, I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand, and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year. Wow, Mitra here, she's very passionate and a little bit crazy. Yeah. Okay, so Mitra, how many birds have you seen? Last year I saw about 1,000. This year, I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or more. Oh, hashtag show off. Alright, so everyone, let's begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wayfarers. First up, South America. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar, a spot, a red howler. Look around you! We are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. But there are toxins in those fruits which aren't good for the birds. So the clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? Yep. No upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are still enjoying their salty feast. Can we give them a big hand, everyone? More birds. So let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 Indian species. So Mitra, hi next. Enough birds for you. No, I want to see more birds. Seriously? Okay, so speaking of seeing more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park. Okay, and here they come. Wow, look at a very long line. Hello there. Now with me here, this is Higgins, our green-winged macaw. And green-winged macaws like Higgins here, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old. And right here with me, I have Katie, our southern crested cockatoos. Cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Can you see the yellow feathers on her head? That is called a crest. Sulfur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoos. Now parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parrots. So they take advantage of the random tree cavities of tree hollows just like this large stem. So in a very short while, both Katie and Higgins will be demonstrating their nesting behaviors by dropping nesting materials into that nest cavity. Are we all set to go? Go! Now if you are wondering what's happening inside, let's watch this. Higgins, right there. Right there. Oh, look at the nesting right there. Hey, Katie! Look at her. Look at her. And there you go. Can we give it up for Katie and Higgins and our wonderful trainers, everyone? Have you heard a rooster, right? Yeah. A rooster? Yeah. In the park? Lynn! Look at that! That's the rooster! No, Mitra. That's your rooster. No, Lynn. That's an Amazon parrot. Okay, you listen to me, okay? Quincy, turn around, come on. Quincy, can you do the rooster? See, I told you, okay? I believe you. So everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy makes some sounds, Quincy, can you welcome us? Did you catch what he said? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's say this one more time. So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time he's going to do the cat. Okay, one more sound. Let's see how about the telephone. There you go, Kevin, Quincy, and everyone. So when parents learn how to mimic or make sounds, they're actually learning from what they hear by their families. So if they want to mimic human sounds, they are basically just doing what they hear around them. So, in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai Star. Yes, that's right. So, I would like to hear Amigo giving some human sounds. So, let's start with a nice and sweet hello. Hello. Wow, look at that. Very clear, right? Since we all know his name, let's get him to say it himself, okay? Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo. Wow. Amigo. cat parrot. And with that, can we give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrot? And each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into pet treats. Amazonian parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. That is a lifetime commitment. They may seem like a bit good pets, but they don't. So, if you want to get yourself a pet parrot, why not come down to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds, right, Mitra? Yes, that's right. Okay, so Lynn, what's next? Now, Mitra, did you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's? Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops! And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops! So then, now everyone, this right here is Elmo, our beautiful turbo toucan, and guess what? Elmo here is Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So Elmo is going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through the giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Elmo? Over here, Elmo. Come on. There you go. Good job. Now, turbo toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant Fruit Loop. One more flight, all the way back to Lynn. Right here, Elmo, come on. Someone took a shortcut. We'll try it. Over here, Elmo. No shortcuts, okay? Okay, ready? Hi, Elmo, right here. Come on. And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World. And we are about to meet an iconic species, ladies and gentlemen, the Oriental High Hornbill. Now, everyone will start right here. That is Oris, an Oriental High Hornbill. Now, Oris fell out of the nest as a chick, and in the wild, Oris would have not survived. But here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us. Now, there are two major differences between hornbills and toucans. Hornbills, they can be found in Asia as well as in Africa. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their heads called a crest. It can just be a small ridge, or it can be big and brightly colored. Now, Mitra, is there anything else that we can spot? Their feet. Both hornbills and toucans, they are great hoppers. Look at that, very cute, right? Okay, so hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. So this gives them incredible strength to hop up and down branches. What else, Lynn? Tongues. I remember this. Now, hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to draw food into their mouth. Okay, so everyone, let's check this out for Elmo first. Ready, Elmo? Oh, okay. Okay, let's see for Oris. Oh, there you go, another perfect catch. And both hornbills and toucans, they are known to catch their prey mid-flight. Both of them are going to demonstrate just that. We'll start off with Elmo first. Okay, Elmo, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! If you missed that, let's see Oris in action. Ready? Count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And now the perfect catch! And with that, everyone, let's give a big hand to Elmo and Oris, our beautiful birds. Now, everyone, hornbills, they have unusual nesting behaviors. They like to nest in tree cavities, just like that big tree right up there. So right here at the Bird Paradise, you can see this behavior without leaving your seats. From the smaller Oriental Pine continents, Africa as well as Asia. Where are you going, Vicky? She's really very beautiful this morning. Hi, Vicky. Where are you going? Good job, sir. Let's remain there. Okay? Let's remain there. Very nice to talk with you. Vicky! So everyone, just be patient with us. Bring our words. They are still getting used to their surroundings. So we are going to take small steps for them to succeed as well. Let's try this one more time. And we have been getting a lot of audience. Okay, since there's so many of you here today and our amphitheater is filled up, right? So our words will get a little confused sometimes. Okay, so let's just be a little patient with them. Okay? Vicky, come. One last try. All the way down to lift. You want to? No? Okay, now let me just continue with this, okay? So like I mentioned earlier, when the continents that they can be found, and usually the female hornbills, they're very, very fussy about their accommodation. Okay, their accommodation has to be very spacious and has a chimney so they can escape if they want to. So in a very short while, Vicky, if she comes down, she will have to go in and check out her nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Look at her looking at all of you instead. Vicky, come on, Vicky, to come on now. We have four birds joining us right on stage. Yes, come on, Vicky, right here. There you go. Good job. Very good job, everyone. Sometimes this word is any encouragement as well, okay? So Vicky, whenever you are ready, you go check out your nest cavity. And also, did you know that in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly across their village, it means they are blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So it looks like we are blessed with good luck. Vicky has been flying across all of us. Yeah. Okay, so once she's inside, the male will then bring her mud and she will mix it with her own droppings as well as land fruits to create a strong seal. So without further ado, let's welcome the male hornbill, shall we? Everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's get Sunny and start the great ride on. So what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for Vicky. Now for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks through that small gap in the nest hole. Okay, Sunny? Vicky's waiting for you. Look at that. And you are, now you cannot see this loving gesture. Everyone, let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky checking out the nest box, and if she likes it, then she will pop right in. Look at that, in she goes. And this is Sunny feeding Vicky through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to almost all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give it up for Vicky and Sunny, our brave hornbills. Now everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction for their cubs, called the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. So right here at Mandai, we have conservation programs to support these helmeted hornbill species. And that is why, as a birder, I like to see birds in the wild, as well as right here in wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible. Speaking of best care, I'm Lunar from Bird Paradise. My team and I work very hard to keep our birds engaged, active, and enriched. So in a very short while, we are going to be introducing all of you some beautiful corneas. And with that, without further ado, everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome their natural behaviors. We have two different species of conures on that monkey feast. Okay, if you look closely or if you look at the screen, there are two with more green feathers. Those are our Genei conures, and the rest are our sun conures, and they have more yellow or orange feathers. It looks like they are enjoying their treat there. Now conures, they are from South America and they are now endangered. So there are more conures in people's homes than in the wild. So everyone, please remember, do not keep conures as pets as well, because they are happier living in flocks together with all their friends. And let's give it up for conures, everyone. Thank you very much, Lunar, for giving us some insights about conures and enrichments.
Now before we carry on, both of us, let's push this very stump all the way back here. Okay, there you go. So everyone, this birding trip has been a dream come true. Birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. And that is why they are one of the strongest creatures you will ever find in our planet. And that is also why, as a birder, I love to travel across continents to see them. But what I'd like to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right